When choosing bands for your smartwatch, it's often a good idea to consider getting a multipack option. Many manufacturers offer sets that include multiple bands in different colors or styles. This approach provides excellent value for money and gives you the flexibility to change your watch's look frequently. One of the key advantages of having multiple bands is that you'll always have a spare ready to go. This can be particularly useful if your primary band gets damaged, dirty, or simply doesn't match your outfit for the day. Additionally, having various bands allows you to adapt your watch to different activities or occasions. You might prefer a sporty silicone band for workouts, a leather band for formal events, and a casual nylon band for everyday wear. With a multipack, you can easily switch between these styles as needed. In this guide, we have curated the best bands on the market currently. Here goes our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 9. Easuny 12-Pack Stretchy Bands. The Easuny 12-pack of stretchy bands offers unparalleled value and variety for Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 owners. This set includes a dozen assorted nylon bands that stretch to fit any wrist size comfortably. The elastic nature of these bands makes them incredibly comfortable for all-day wear, as they can adjust to slight changes in wrist size throughout the day. The pack includes both solid colors and patterns, allowing you to switch up your watch's look to match any outfit or occasion. The bands use a simple slip-on design, making them the easiest to change among all options. Despite their stretchy nature, these bands provide a secure fit that won't come loose during activity. Number 8. Barton Quick Release Top Grain Leather Watch Band. Barton's Top Grain Leather Watch Band is a premium accessory that elevates the look of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Crafted from high-quality leather, this band offers a perfect blend of style, comfort, and durability. The use of top-grain leather ensures a soft feel on the wrist while also developing a beautiful patina over time, making each band unique to its wearer. The quick-release spring bars allow for easy attachment and swapping without tools. One of the standout features of this band is the vast array of color options available for both the leather and the stainless steel clasp, allowing for extensive customization. Whether you prefer classic black or brown, or want to make a statement with a bold color, Barton has an option for you. Number 7. BlackPro Alpine Loop Nylon Band. The BlackPro Alpine Loop Nylon Band offers a rugged yet casual look for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Inspired by mountaineering equipment, this band is designed for durability and comfort in various conditions. The high-quality nylon material is both lightweight and strong, making it ideal for everyday wear or outdoor adventures. One of its key features is the gapless fit, ensuring a seamless look between the band and your watch. The one-click connector system allows for quick and easy attachment, surpassing the convenience of standard quick-release pins. Number 6. Spigen Modern Fit. Spigen, known for their high-quality mobile accessories, brings their expertise to watch bands with the Modern Fit for Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. This stainless steel band features a classic link design that adds a touch of elegance and professionalism to your smartwatch. Available in silver, black, and rose gold, you can choose a color that best matches your watch face or personal style. The band comes with a tool for adjusting the links, allowing you to customize the fit to your wrist size without needing to visit a jeweler. The Modern Fit uses a butterfly clasp for a secure and streamlined look. Despite its metal construction, the band is designed to be lightweight and comfortable for all-day wear. Number 5. Ritche Classic Silicone Watch Bands. Ritche, a renowned name in watch accessories, brings its expertise to the Galaxy Watch 7 with this classic silicone watch band. Made from high-grade silicone, this band offers a perfect balance of durability and comfort. The material is soft against the skin, making it suitable for all-day wear, yet robust enough to withstand daily use and exposure to water. A standout feature is its sleek two-tone design, which adds a touch of sophistication to the sporty silicone material. The band uses quick-release pins, allowing for easy attachment and removal without tools. Available in multiple color combinations, you can choose a style that best complements your watch face or personal aesthetic. Whether you're heading to the gym or the office, the Ritche Classic Silicone Band provides a versatile option that looks good and feels great on the wrist. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Sport Band. As the official sport band from Samsung, this accessory is specifically designed to complement the Galaxy Watch 7's features and design. Made from high-quality, durable rubber, it offers both comfort and resilience for active users. The band features strategically placed holes throughout its length, providing excellent ventilation to keep your wrist cool during intense workouts or hot weather. This aeration also helps prevent sweat buildup, reducing skin irritation during extended wear. Available in 6 different shades, you can choose a color that best matches your personal style or workout gear. The band comes in 2 main sizes to ensure a proper fit for different wrist sizes. While it may be priced higher than third-party options, the Samsung Sport Band guarantees perfect compatibility and maintains your watch's warranty, making it an excellent choice for fitness enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Number 3. Maledan 8-pack 20mm soft silicone bands. The Maledan 8-pack of soft silicone bands offers unbeatable value and variety for Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 owners. This set includes 8 bands in assorted colors, allowing you to switch up your watch's look to match your outfit or mood. The bands are made from soft, skin-friendly silicone that provides comfort for all-day wear. They're also water-resistant, making them suitable for swimming or showering. The quick-release connectors make it easy to swap bands in seconds without any tools. With 2 sizes included in the pack, you can ensure a perfect fit regardless of your wrist size. Number 2. Astorgos One-Click Mesh Metal Bands. The Astorgos One-Click Mesh Metal Band offers a perfect blend of style and comfort for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. This mesh band provides the sleek look of a metal band with the flexibility and breathability of a softer material. The fine metal mesh allows for excellent airflow, preventing sweat buildup during wear. One of its standout features is the magnetic clasp, which allows for quick and easy adjustment to achieve the perfect fit. The one-click connector system makes it simple to attach and detach the band from your watch. Available in 5 metallic hues, this band can complement various watch faces and personal styles. Number 1. BandRain Rugged Samsung Galaxy Watch Band. This rugged band is designed for those who lead an active lifestyle or engage in outdoor activities like hiking or rock climbing. Its durable construction can withstand harsh conditions while providing comfort during wear. The band features a unique 2-tone design with an interesting texture, adding a touch of style to its functional purpose. Unlike traditional bands, it forgoes a metal clasp in favor of a knot-like closure system. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.